Hello, today in the African Forgotten Food series, we are going to talk of another very important food or stroke a herb, which has both nutritional value and medicinal value. Now, let's look at what we call Prunus Africana or Mondia Ecornuta. This Prunus Africana is an African cherry widely distributed in Africa, occurring in the mountainous regions of Central Africa, Southern Africa, and East Africa, especially Western Kenya. It's also on the islands of Bioko, Sao Tome, Comoro Island, and Madagascar. It's also called Mondia whitei. In Kenya or in Luya, it's called Mukombero. It's a perennial herbaceous or woody climber belonging to the family Apocynaceae, and with most of its members' family has a milky latex. There are two species of Mondia whitei or Prunus africanus recognized by either Montana erunita. It is also known as in Chichewa gondolosi, and also a local name, as we said in the Western Kenya, is called Mukombero. The rootstock is often collected for medicinal use. And then it has also been found in wet forests, even in swampy grassland areas across sub-Saharan Africa. And it has been recorded from Guinea, Nigeria, Cameroon, Sudan, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Mozambique, South Africa, Eswatini, and Angola. Now, in Kenya, its roots are heavily collected, and this has been affected the plants, and some initiative propagated for commercial supply. Now, let's look at the traditional uses. The bark is used for numerous ways as a wound dressing, purgative, and appetite stimulant, and treats fever, malaria, arrowing poison, stomach pain, kidney disease, gonorrhea, and insanity. Let's look at the health benefit of Mukombero or Mondia whitei. The health benefits have been known since ancient times, and it is known basically for its libido boosting and overall health benefits. It is also believed to be managing over 60 health conditions. Now, let's look at the one that is most natural, aphrodisiac. As an aphrodisiac is definitely a food, herb, or drug that arouses sexual instincts, arouses desire to increase sexual pleasure and or performance. Natural aphrodisiacs are usually mentioned because they are generally safer, contain more nutrients and ingredients without side effects. The long-term effect of Mukombero of Mondia whitei or African Prunus is provide a strong sexual tonic, increase libido, performance, and pleasure in both sexes. This is because it acts at the level of the central nervous system, further increasing the specific concentration of sex hormones, testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. The roots and the white fiber prevent diseases and disorders, STDs, that affect the functioning of the male and female reproductive system of a man or woman during all stages of life. When taken consistently, it helps improve sperm motility. Let's look at how it helps prevent flu. Consuming African Prunus or Mukombero may help in treatment and prevention of influenza. The plant involves the survival of human lungs epithelial cells infected by influenza virus. It prevents respiratory problems. Let's look at how it improves mental performance and brain function. African Prunus helps people to speed memory and memory retention. The roots powder tend to increase alertness and energy to many people. Also manages neuroprotection system, repairing them in the brain. So taking the African Prunus or the white powder daily for 2 weeks help improve mental performance significantly. It also manages to reverse age-related cognitive decline. A well-maintained performance and brain function reduces the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Now, let's look at the African Prunus or Mukombero or Mondial whitei in cancer prevention. The plant has antioxidant properties that prevent the cell damage caused by free radicals. The genocides that in this plant are proven to reduce inflammation. The genocides in the plant are a supplement, helps reduce risk of getting certain types of cancer, such as lip, mouth, esophagus, stomach, colon, liver, lung, and many others. Let's look at also how African Prunus or Mukombero helps in boosting the immune system. It helps the body to fight off infectious and diseases. The root and powder have been used to maintain immune homeostasis and enhancing resistance to illness and infections. The plant extracts decrease the number of bacteria present in the spleen, kidney, and blood. African Prunus or Mukombero or Mondial whitei also produce microbial compounds that work as a defense mechanism against bacterial infection. These ones, it detoxifies the toxins, chemicals that may cause diseases in our body. The roots and powder improve performance of cells and play a major role in boosting immunity. Now, let's look at how the African Prunus or Mukombero lowers blood sugar. 1 teaspoon of Mukombero extract will provide enough glucoreductory properties for the day. This property enables lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. So that is all for the immunity, about the sugar level, about the immune system, the defense against bacterial infection, helping in cancer prevention, and also memory, performances, and brain function, helping in flu management and prevention. And then we're also talking as the major natural aphrodisiac, and also as a strong nervous system that also prevents diseases like STDs. And this one has been used over and over traditionally to treat these diseases and also to help. So African Prunus is more or less like what we call the Africa natural Viagra. So thank you very much for listening, and we have everything within us. You can see the plant grows across Africa. So naturally, it's easy to cure some of these erectile dysfunction diseases with a natural way, plant-based, and you're good to go. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly share with others, comment, and the whole world will be informed. Thank you very much and be blessed. Bye.